magkahiwalay na lugar. Ang una, yaong imahe ni Kristong muling nabuhay, na ang lumbay at pagluluksa ng mahal na Inang Birheng Maria ay natapos na ang kanyang pag-asa.
We are celebrating today the resurrection of the Lord Jesus Christ. He had suffered and died, and after dying, after 3 days, He has resurrected. And so this gives us hope to all of us Christians who believe in Him.
Ito ang natatanging araw na nilikha ng Diyos. But rolled up on a separate face. Then the other disciple also went in. The one who